everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another Ipsy unboxing. I was really pleased with this one. They teamed up with Tetris because it's their anniversary. It was like 35 years, 25 years, something like that. And I'm going to start off with saying this box came out to $196 value, and I'm only paying $25 a month. So, let's just jump right into it. I'm going to start with the cheapest item first. I did try out a couple of these already, just so I could, I don't know, see if they worked, see how I felt about them. The first thing I got is the Tetris, I think it's, which one is it? Game On palette. It did come a little bit busted, and it happened before they put it in the slip, because the slip wasn't damaged at all, and I kind of had to rip the slip off because it wouldn't come up over this bump. But the colors are Game Changer, Game Day, Game Night, Stack It Up, Block Party, and Game Over. And this is what they look like. They're very pretty, and all but 3 shades. So these 3 are shimmery, these 3 are not. I'm gonna swatch them here for you, right on my arm. This is Game Changer. It's a really pretty orangey, can't really see it in this light, but it's very orange in real life. The only problem with this package, this palette I have, is they're not extremely pigmented. You have to go over it a couple times. Next one I'm getting is Game Day. It's this pretty pink, iridescent, multi-chrome color. You can't really see it on the light, but, you know, that's just how we do things around here. See, you can kind of see it change color. That one did turn out really well. That one's very pigmented, but it does have fallout. So, the next one is one of my favorite colors in this palette. It is Game Night, and it's a gold, like, greeny color. Wish I could get the light for you, but all I can do is swatch it. See? Look how pretty that color is. I love it. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet, but I will use it at my college graduations, because this is one of my main colors of my school, is gold, so that'll turn out great. Next color is Stack It Up. I do have that one on the bottom of my eyelid right now. I decided to go for more of a mermaid look. That's why my eyebrows are kind of purpley pink, and I got green in the corner. But this is Stack It Up. It's not from this palette either, only the one color. Stack It Up is pretty much my skin color, so it's a good base coat when you want to get things to stick. Next one is Block Party. It is another chromy, peachy pink color. That one you can't really see. It's not very pigmented, especially with a brush, because first time I swatched them was with a brush. And then the color I'm most scared of is Game Over, because it's like a navy blue. Now I love that color usually, but using it for on my eyes is scary. But we'll try out a look. And that's what it looks like. Those are the colors in the palette. I love this palette. It's not my favorite compared to the other one. At the end of the year, I will do a whole which Ipsy palette was best. So keep a lookout for that in January or December. I love how it looks on the package. Yeah, that's what the palette looks like. It's pretty sturdy. It's a lot bigger than I thought. The pans are huge though. Like, there's my thumb, there's a pan. Pretty big. The next thing I got, which one's the next cheapest thing, is this lipstick. Now when I first took it out of the box, I was like, why is it open? It's not. That's just how the packaging looks. It's really pretty. And it is a 2-in-1, so it does come with a gloss at the very end, or a balm. And I did find out that it has peach seed oil in it, but I've done a swatch test, I've worn it on my lips, and it really moisturizes, and I don't feel any itchy or tingling sensation. So, you know. And then when you open it, it's got a really nice magnet. And that is the color. I'm going to do a couple swipes. It's very, very pretty. I don't have it on my lips right now because I'm saving that for the collab with Sarah, which I will talk about at the end of this video. The next thing that was cheaper. Oh, I forgot to tell you the prices. Duh. This one was $24, palette. The lipstick was $25. And then this one, the Apto Skincare. Oh, I didn't even read you the name of it because I can't. It's the brand. And the shade is in it had a name, but now I can't find it. So it says it's matte, but it doesn't seem to dry down completely, by the way. I just totally butchered that whole section, but who cares? It says Apto Skincare Healing Mask Turmeric. And this is what it looks like. It did miss a little bit right there, but usually that's to keep the air flowing. That nobody fills up their products completely. It smells so good. It is very like earthy, lavendery smell to it, and I think it works really good. I am going to show you my skincare routine eventually. I'm just trying to get it into gear. This one was $32 for this tiny little thing, and if it works, it's gonna make me sad to spend $32 on it every couple of months. Like I said, it is turmeric. I did see a little staining on my cheeks and my forehead last night, but I mean, that's to be expected. And when I woke up, it was pretty much gone, so you get what you get. Because I know when I cooked with turmeric, it stained my fingers completely bright yellow for like 3 days. But if it works, then that's worth it. And there's always foundation to cover. The next one I got was the Farrah Brushes 5-piece Eye Perfection Set. It was totaled at $50, and they came in this really metallic-y plastic thing package, which I've seen these packaged at Forever 21, but I know these brushes aren't really sold at Forever 21. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these are what they look like. I've used a couple of them. They're like tin, I think. It came with a, this is number 6. It's a short shading brush. I don't really know what that does, but we'll practice on it. I'll do more videos of practicing. This one, there's the name. This is brush 205. This is for fly wings. Can't really see that. It's too shiny. But that's what it looks like. Very thin to go. The next one I have is number 3, Mini Tapered Blending. This is one that I'll probably use all the time. I've already used it twice. Next one, the next 2 are a little bit bigger than what I usually use on my eyes, so we'll just practice. This is 65E Large Shading. It's very pretty. I like it a lot. I like these brushes. Farrah always does really nice ones. I prefer the plastic ends, like, if I can find one. Like, plastic, you know? Because I just feel that they're easier to hold. They don't get too hot. This one is 35E tapered blending brush. So, did I show you them all, or am I missing one? I think I've lost one. There it is. Don't know if I've showed you this. I did. It was a 65. It just fell underneath the package. And last but not least, this product is $65. $65. Just let that sink in. It's more than, what, 3 times the amount of the box? It is CEO Sunday Riley Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream, which I haven't started. I wanted to try the turmeric last night so that I knew I wasn't allergic to anything in it. So now I'm going to start using this. And it smells so good. It smells just like... Sorry, there's an ant. Sorry. I had to kill it. Don't mind me. He was like this big. Doesn't deserve to be in the house. And I live in the basement, so it's really hard to get. Don't hate me. It smells so good. It smells like summertime. And that's what it looks like. It reminds me of Origins. When you walk into Origins, that's exactly what it smells like. Unfortunately, I don't have one here, so I'm really looking forward to when I go back, to Origins and get my free monthly facial. Yeah, I will show you everything I got in my hands. I will rate them for you. That's what it looks like. Hold for the thumbnail. Probably didn't get a thumbnail. Hopefully I did, but probably not. I thought there was a spider. Didn't mean to freak out so bad. The brushes, I will give them a 7 out of 10 just because they're tin. And they're also brushes that I don't normally use, so I'm gonna have to give them a good, like, month try. I will probably fall in love with brushes. I love brushes. Makeup brushes, so, you know. The lipstick, I haven't worn it yet, so I can't really rate it, but I love the color, and I love the balm that came in it. Feels amazing on my lips. Especially around here, because it's really, really drying. But so far, I give it a good 9.5. Because I just haven't worn it yet, and it will probably go up to a 10. So. The CEO cream, I haven't used it yet, but I hear that Sarah absolutely swears by it. So, just from her recommendation, I give it a 10. She only gives it a little bit lower, I think, because of the price. It is very expensive, but if it works, you know? So, how many times am I gonna say that in this video? This, so far, I give it a 10, because it's one of the best feeling masks I ever have had. It's really warming in the beginning, and then it cools really, like, a lot. And it seemed to do really well on some of my spots. So, I will keep you guys updated on that. And then the Tetris, I'm a little bit disappointed just because the color payout, like, they wipe off really well. There's 3 colors you can see. 3. And compared to last month's, I love the Wander Beauty palette. You saw that in my last video. If you haven't, go check that out. My last one, but one of my last ones. I love the colors. I just don't know how long it will stay on my face, so I will do another video on that. Hold on. And I'm back. Sorry, there was the ant came back to life. I guess they didn't kill it. But, so now he's outside. I had to run and throw him out the window. He's fine though. Landed on solid ground. Yeah. I didn't rate this one, I forgot. I give it a 6. Just because this is the one I kind of ended up wanting. Color palette's just not worth it. I am going to do a video for you guys, seeing how long it lasts. I do have something planned, so maybe I'll do that, because that's going to be a long day. So, yeah. Have a great day, night, whenever you're watching this. Please remember to stay happy in whatever walk of life you're in, because that's what matters the most. And I promise that I'm going to get much more scheduled and much better at filming face-to-face videos. So, I'm going to write down my schedule today, and I'll post a picture of it on Instagram. You can follow me there. It's hannahrenee.yt. So go check me out. I post previews to videos that I'm doing, or going to do a bunch of different things. So keep a lookout, and please like and subscribe, and go check out Sarah's channel for her Ipsy unboxing. Thank you. Bye.